Hot water 1½ cups. Cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. Instant coffee 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Dip each biscuit one by one into the coffee mix for about 1–2 seconds and arrange them evenly into 2 layers and set aside. Whipping powder 1 sachet. Cold milk 115 milliliters. Whisk until soft peaks form. Cream cheese 200 gram. Whisk together until smooth. Thick cream 250 gram. Vanilla essence ½ teaspoon. Whisk together until well combined. Strawberry chunks 180 gram. Gently mix well to combine. Spread the cream cheese mixture on top of the biscuits and refrigerate for 4 hours. Add 150 gram of hot heavy cream onto the 150 gram dark chocolate. Leave it for 2 to 4 minutes and mix well until chocolate melts. Pour the chocolate ganache on top of it and refrigerate for 1 hour. Enjoy!